applicants, you shall now become bona fide Eagle members, or so-called Kuya and Ate. At this juncture, I shall charge you with your duties, responsibilities, and obligation of being an Eagle.
By the authority vested in me by the Eagles Constitution, joint induction of new members and new set of officers for Eagle Year 2024 hereby call to order. Tandaan po natin na ang pagiging miyembro po ng Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, ay hindi lamang tungkol sa pagiging parte ng isang samahan, kundi tungkol po din sa tunay na pagmamahal sa ating pong kapwa-tao at bayan. Sa pamamagitan ng ating bawat gawa at pagiging instrumento ng kabutihan, may ipapakita po natin ang halaga ng pagkakaisa at malasakit sa mga nangangailangan. Ang ibig ko lang sabihin, mga kuya ate, huwag natin i-take advantage na mayroon tayong nalalapitan, iaabusuhin natin. Doon pa rin tayo palagi sa tama. Sa halimbawa, katulad ko, nasa PNP ako, may kailangan kayo. Andun na yung assistance. Iba lang talaga ang dating kapag kakuya at kaate. Kasi pamilya ang turing natin sa isa't isa eh. Ganon yun yung sinasabing service through strong brotherhood.
Tonight is the night para sa ating mga bagong members na tatawagin natin Kuya and Ate. As I said, especially to my members, every meeting natin, hindi kayo nawawalan ng sermon sa akin. Ang pagsali sa Agila ay isang organization na tatatak lamang sa inyo at para sabihin na kayo ay isang Agila. Ito'y dapat nating isapuso. Ito'y dapat nating gawing katuparan ang ating humanitarian service. Ito po ay ang pagtanggap natin bilang isang obligasyon. Siyempre, una na sa ating pamilya, pangalawa na po sa ating organization.
Mabuhay ang Agila!
By the authority vested in me by the Eagles Constitution, this joint induction of new members and new set of officers for Eagle Year 2024 is hereby adjourned.
Mabuhay ang Agila!
God-loving men for country's sake, offer strength and mind and energy. We dedicate fraternal love, service for the good of all humanity. We're Eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace.
Mabuhay ang agila! Mabuhay ang agila!
We're eagles spread to all people, pillars of a nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. In bliss with self-love, human care, we will share our lives to all humanity. We're eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace, our noble mission. We're eagles, spread to all people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. In bliss with self-love, human care, we will share our lives to keep our liberty